Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to turn off Discord auto starting on Windows boot up using the latest updated system layout. First, open the Discord application on your desktop. Click directly on the User Settings gear icon located at the bottom left corner next to your profile avatar. Scroll down the left sidebar menu index layout, look under the App Settings section and click directly on Windows Settings. Locate the configuration row option explicitly labeled Automatically Open Discord when your computer starts up. Click on the toggle switch right next to Automatically Open Discord when your computer starts up to turn it completely off. To ensure the operating system framework overrides any lingering active application rules, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously on your keyboard to launch the Task Manager. Click directly on the Startup Apps tab icon located on the left navigation panel layout. Locate Discord in the application index list, right-click it, and select Disable from the Options menu block configuration. The operating system boot framework will instantly block the software from executing, ensuring a clean and fast desktop startup layout. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.